Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Subaru Forester headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools: a new H11 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly some gloves. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Then, open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly you need to work on. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Gently disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it away from the bulb. Next, grasp the base of the old bulb and twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn until it feels loose. Carefully pull the bulb straight out from the headlight housing. Remember to avoid touching the glass part of the bulb, as oils can reduce its lifespan. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Hold the new H11 bulb by its plastic base and carefully insert it into the headlight housing, making sure the tabs align correctly. Once it's seated, twist the bulb clockwise about 1/4 of a turn until it locks firmly into position. Finally, push the electrical connector back onto the bulb until you hear a click, ensuring a secure connection. After installation, turn on your Subaru Forester's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Make sure both low and high beams function. Double-check that all connections are secure and the bulb is properly seated to prevent moisture entry. This simple replacement can save you time and money. For more great tips and deals, including that link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.